Alright, so I'm going to show you how to take the doors off on the new 2022 Ford Bronco. This is actually the first time I've taken the doors off, so you're going to learn right along with me. Now, the cool thing is the Bronco, along with the owner's manual, gives you this little kit. And right in the kit is the socket that you need. So it's a 13mm socket. Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. It's a tough hand position, but once you can kind of get your hands set, so there you go. One bolt at the top of the door. Don't lose that. Down at the bottom here. So it actually doesn't take many turns in order to get that off. It's just a couple of turns. Loosens it up enough. You can hand pull it out. So this is the top one. Put it in my hands here so you can see better. The big bolt goes top. The little bolt goes in the bottom. The window, the door locks, anything electronic in it. So we will unhook this and then you can literally take the door off. One of the key things that actually will help you out that I didn't do is you need to fold that mirror back all the way. So folding that mirror back allows you to open that door farther. See, there's a little door right there. So pulling that open allows you to then pull this off. That, and then it pops right off, just like that. This little door right there that covers up where the electronics go. And now, see right here it says lift. So this is a handle you can actually grab right there and just lift the door. And then hopefully you're strong enough to actually carry it. It's not too heavy, but it's a good thing I spent all those years in the gym. You obviously don't want to lose these. So they give you this little pocket right here that you can stick your bolts in, and then don't lose this handle there where it says lift. You can always grab the back side, maybe the handle up here, lift up, and this is a better way to hold it. One hand down there, one hand on the door handle there. I had an awkward hold kind of before trying to figure out what to do with this. So then what do you do with the doors? That's the question. You can't really fit them in the back. I suppose you could lay the seats flat and just lay the doors in the back, but I'm just going to put them inside my house here and then come back later for the doors. All right, so I've got all the screws here. Big screws for the top bolt in the door, little screws, little bolts for the bottom. You've got two little pockets here that you can put these in. So I'm going to put all these in this little pocket. I'm going to put the ratchet back, and then this I'll lock up in the glove box. Flip that lever there. Flip this, flip that, flip that, flip that, flip that, flip that, flip that lever. So the thing you got to see about this is, though, this driver's side comes off first. You'll see there's a little lip right here. Raise the camera up on top.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
So you see the little lip. That roof rests on top of that. So you take driver's side off first, then the passenger side is going to bag in the back, and you're good to go. All right, so this is the bag for the windows. Super easy. Take your bag. Something easy to do. Lay it here. Flip this protective sheet up. All right. I'm gonna take this roof panel and actually set it right there so it holds the bag in place. Then I'm going to take the other roof panel and slide it in there. All right, so there's a certain way that these have to go in. See the curve right there? Because that's the curve that rests on the roof. You want the curve to the side. That goes in the bag. You take the protective sheet, take that in. Take the other door, or the other roof panel actually. You take it so it faces, so they face inward with this angled curve portion, the opposite side. That's your roof panels. You can lay them however you want. You have these clips right there. And I'm just going to leave it laying flat. I'll put the seats down so I can just lay it flat, and it's good to go. So there you go, 2022 Ford Bronco. You got the roof panels in their bag. You got the doors off. You got the black diamond package. So we're gonna drive this thing down to the beach. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you get your Bronco pretty soon.